Hello Year 9, this is your art and design homework for the next term. Okay, so you should have received a pack from your teacher in lesson, and you should have in that pack a pencil, a black oil pastel, some cartridge paper and an image of the picture that we are going to work from. Okay, so for your homework, we are expecting you to do a transfer drawing based on a section of architecture. And if you look closely at the drawing, you can see that there is lots of different marks that have been used to create the drawing. You can see some cross-hatching in there. There's some darker areas where the cross-hatching has been done in more depth. And you can see some lighter areas where the hatching is less close together, giving you a lighter area. So the first thing you're going to do is get your sheet, and you are going to put oil pastel on the back of your sheet. You only need to put it on the image, so you might just want to draw a box around where the image is. And if you hold it up to the light, you'll be able to see where the image is. Okay, and you are going to go over the back with the oil pastel, not grainy like this, but really thick. So you need to press on quite hard with pressure to make the area completely covered with the oil pastel. Okay, so you shouldn't be able to see any of the white paper through. So you're going to complete all the square with the black oil pastel. When you've done that, you are going to attach the oil pastel onto the paper. So this is your cartridge paper, this is your picture, and you can add that on there with either a bit of sellotape, any kind of sticky tape that you have at home. I've got some masking tape, okay, and then you're just going to attach that on there. And then once you've done that, you're going to start drawing. Okay, so the oil pastel, when you start drawing, should transfer onto the paper underneath. And I want you to have a look at all the detail. So where the area is darker, you'll press on quite darkly. Lots of pressure there. We'll press on hard, sorry, not darkly. So press on hard. Where it's lighter, you will use less pressure. And try and look at what marks the artist has made. Okay, now I've got one over here that I started earlier. It's got some more detail on, I'll just show you. And you see, so you can see all the different marks, and if you press on harder, you'll get a darker mark. So if you press on lighter, you'll get a much lighter mark. And what I want you to do is transfer all the image. So whatever you draw on the paper, if you lift that up, it should transfer back onto the paper. Where it's really light and grey, just going to shade quite lightly. I'll show you this. You see the difference? Okay, and where it's darker, you put more pressure on, and then you'll have a much darker area. Okay, so that is your homework for Year 9 Art and Design. And once you've completed your homework, you'll need to hand it in to your class teacher. Okay, thank you.